Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video. I'm so happy to see you. If you're new here, I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years. I've also been selling for a few years on Poshmark. I sell digital products on Etsy. And I also sell to Thredup. It's a part-time side hustle gig for me. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist. If you're interested in learning more about mental health, come visit me over there. Today's one of my favorite videos. It's an unboxing video, and this box is from KOSEI Threads. KOSEI is a newer wholesale company on the scene that I've been trying out. This box is a new with tag clothing box. It's called The Fundamentals. I got 20 items for $78. So this is a very inexpensive box, friends. Buying wholesale this way from KOSEI really works for me personally because, as I said, I'm a part-time reseller. I cannot go out thrifting as much as I need to get inventory for my reselling business. This comes right to my door. It has free shipping. So I'm a thrifter at heart. I believe in sustainability and saving things from the landfill. I also love having new with tags inventory in my store because it sells really well for me. So I like to have a combination. This box was only $78. And silly me, I forgot to use someone's discount code. So do not be like me. Always use a discount code when you shop on KOSEI Threads. You can put on my coupon? You can put in my coupon code when you're checking out, which is The Grateful Queen, all one word, all caps, and that gets you a discount, and then I earn credit with them as an affiliate. Let's get into this box and let's first talk about expectations. This is a lower end box. I assume if it's $78, I cannot expect like designer or high-end stuff in here. I'm expecting like some inexpensive mall brand stuff that's new with tags that I can flip. So I'm not familiar with this brand. Anvil Tri-Blend. If you guys know anything about any of the brands or you have experience selling any of these things, let us know. This is a very lightweight, full zip women's blue hoodie in a size medium. Feels really soft and nice. Fantastic. Here's some cool looking jeans. Let's check these babies out. These are super on trend, actually. These are Hollister. Hollister is like a juniors brand. It retails for a lot. Like here's the tag. These jeans were $54.95 and they are a size 31. That's awesome. And they're the curvy, ultra high-rise dad jean. What? I love learning new stuff.
What the heck is a dad jean?
Dad jean. We've all been hearing about mom jeans, which are super on trend in 2022. They're a looser fit, high-rise, like I guess like a mom like me, like a middle-aged 46-year-old mom would wear. These are the dad jeans. They're high, they look loose, they have raw hems. Awesome, I bet I can get like 20, 25 bucks for those. Thank you, KOSEI. Oh my God, what is this? Honeydew super soft two-piece lounge set, size XL. That's awesome, it's still in its little package. And it's got embroidered stars on it. I don't know what this brand retails for or anything, but size XL, my best-selling brand. So here we go. These are American Eagle. That's cool. American Eagle, size medium. You guys, American Eagle just sells well for me in like the $15, $20 range. I don't see a new with tag on these. Cute little mustard and white striped shorts. Oh my God, this is cute. I don't know this brand. Crave Fame, size XL. It has like it's sold at Macy's apparently, so that's good. Crave Fame, anyone heard of that? But you've got to check this thing out. It's a rib sweater, color block, but then I guess this to me seems beyond a cold shoulder. A cold shoulder is like if it was just cut out here, but this is like a completely off shoulder. number. So that's fun. Fitted soft sweater from Macy's. Yes. Let me know in the studio. It's because I just looked at this and it says Max Studio is the brand. Let me know in the studio. Let me know in the comments. Are you someone who likes to buy in bulk or buy wholesale? Does that work for you in your business model? For me, it is a lifesaver. My thrift stores are so expensive, so even when I do get out there, like once every couple weeks these days, I'm paying, my cost of goods is more like $8 because dresses are $10, jeans are $10, long sleeve shirts are $7.99. That's just my prices here. Maybe you live somewhere where you get really inexpensive prices, or you have a Goodwill outlet bins. Fantastic. I don't have any of that, so this is like really great for me. This is a peasant top, little floral print with some black lace accents by Max Studios, which actually retails for a lot usually. That's really cute. I'm liking this box. And the cost of goods is low, and you could get it even cheaper than $78 because I forgot to use a discount code. I was just so excited when I saw it come up for sale again. Mix by Copper Penny. Okay, this is a little romper. This is a flounce. See how the material flounces or hangs over? It's called a flounce. This is shorts, a little strapless shorts romper. Cute. Wow, look at this. Look at this pretty embellishment on this top. That's so cute. Mia Stella. Oh my God, this is adorable. I don't understand it at all. Okay. It has a sticker on it for $135. So check out this brand, you guys. I'll show you the tag again. Mia Stella. Maybe this is something I've never heard of, but retail is $135. There you go. Nice clear image of that tag. This is a very unusual piece. It's a striped metallic sweater. Okay, that's great. But then this sleeve has a ruffle, and this one has a ruffle and a longer sleeve. And I think that's just how it goes. I don't think it's damaged. Oh no! Thank God I have bloopers. Here's the other sleeve. It was tucked in. Oh my God. They should not let me make videos. There we go. It is not asymmetrical. It has sleeves. Seriously, I'm going to get kicked off YouTube. They're going to be like, we need better quality than this. This is Misguided. Plus size. Awesome. Size 14. I don't think of US 14 as plus. Do you guys? Oh my God, I'm going to try this on. It's a wrap dress. This is so pretty. It feels like satin, and it's a true wrap. And it's not looking so great right now, but it wraps and it's got these really pretty sleeves. I'm gonna put that in the Quemby pile. I could use a really feminine dress like that. I better scurry along. I've got to pick up my son Torvald at school. We're going to a birthday party this weekend for one of his 11-year-old friends. It's the first birthday party we've been to in 2.5 years since COVID pandemic stuff. No one's having birthday parties, so he's so excited. I don't necessarily love these like jumpy house parties. They're a little bit crazy, but it's only an hour and a half. This is Jones Studio. It's a 2X, which is awesome. It has a $79.50 price tag on it. And it's a duster, like an open front cardigan, but when it's long like that, it's a duster. And I guess it looks striped, but maybe it's a chevron print. Kind of a heavier weight knit sweater on that. This is a lot of New Tag stuff at a low price. Gemsley Top Choice Lingerie. Cling free. This is like a simple women's slip. Silky lace slip. I don't see any brand on this. This is a women's bodysuit. Like a mock neck, white, super stretchy and soft bodysuit. Here's a tag. Mango Pop Collection. Never heard of it. And it does not have, I'm looking, oh, maybe they'll say on the inside. Like, I'm looking for the size here. It feels so good. Here we go. Okay. Size small. Mango Pop collection, size small. This is what the name brand looks like, Mango Pop. It must be made of modal or something though, because that feels so soft. Ooh, this is like some pleather really? This is like some pleather faux leather blank, dress blank. I know blank NYC, but this looks different. Blank, size medium. And it is like a leather dress. What it's like sort of like a tent dress. It zippers down the front. I don't know, friends. It's got pockets. Someone will throw some little boots on with that. I see something blingy. Alyssa, $125, XXL white cardigan with blue trim. Whoa, this would be awesome for like 4th of July. Red, white, and blue blingy cardigan. Good box, you guys. And Taylor, size 12 petite. Yes, please. Size 12 petite. I was talking in one of my recent videos about trying to buy these Ann Taylor jeans. I've been looking for these like kind of a retro fit where they're fitted at the hips and they're a wide leg crop jeans. They were so expensive. At Ann Taylor, they're like $140, and then everyone on Poshmark has the Ann Taylors up for like $50, $60. And I was like, I better sell some Ann Taylor. These are like a dress pants, really pretty. 12 petite is an awesome size. I'd say it's kind of like an extra large. I'm a 12 petite probably. Can I just say how much I appreciate you, my viewers and friends, for watching these videos. Thank you for giving the video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I'm really grateful for you being here. Thank you. Oh, this is cute. Vince Camuto size medium black sweater. Kind of a longer length with this burgundy stripes. That is really cute. Vince Camuto sells just fine for me, especially the dresses. MSRP of $89 on that one. Ooh, this is something little. Look at this little thing. A little pull-on stretchy geometrical print skirt. Ooh, it's got a Stitch Fix tag on it. That's cool. Renee C. You guys, I did Stitch Fix for a while. And it was really fun. I did it during the pandemic when no one was going out shopping. I have some older Stitch Fix videos on the channel from last year. It's just so expensive. I mean, as someone being a thrifter, Renee C, and this is what the Stitch Fix tag looks like, and that's really good because Stitch Fix is so expensive. I think a lot of women would get something in their box and really like it, and then try and go on eBay or Poshmark to find it for like half the price, or find other stuff by a brand they like in the kits. So that's cool. I like it. Ooh, this looks like some military inspired thing. Forever 21 Los Angeles, size medium. Oh my god, this is so cute. This will sell. It's a romper. I'll put like military, army, utility in my title. It's long sleeve olive green. It's just Forever 21. But that's so cute that it's a one-piece romper. It only retailed for $29.99, but I'll put it up for like 15 bucks plus shipping and someone will buy it. I am quite happy with this box. For this price, this is an inexpensive box. Ooh, new tag Michael Kors. Size 8. Michael Kors. So this is like Michael Kors is a lower end from the designer. Size 8, women's like brown, stretchy, skinny jersey pants. Cute. This would do okay on Thredup too. I might send those in there. And we're going to end with, ooh, these are awesome. A pair of Nude Tag loft pants. Ann Taylor Loft. Size 29, curvy skinny. I wish these were my size. I love that a lot of these brands have curvy now because I'm a size 12 and I'm very curvy. You know, I'm like a cartoon drawing with just lumps everywhere. So, God, if these were my size, I'm more like a 32. Those are awesome. So that is a really good box for that price. 20 items right to my door. Nude tag stuff I can just list or send to Thredup super easy. So I'm very grateful. Check out KOSEI. They have all sorts of stuff. They've got pre-owned, nude tag, jewelry, makeup. They've just got a ton of stuff. And let me know if you use my discount link, The Grateful Queen, so that I can say thank you, and let me know how your box was. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Did you guys have this happen where it's like you get like one line of a pop song in your head? It's like I don't know any of the other words, so I'm just gonna go around humming it. Lipstick teeth check. I've been making this sun tea. Do you guys do that? You just take a jar of cold water, you put your tea bags in, and you leave it out in the sun. It just has a different taste than when you brew it. I don't know why, but that's your lesson for today. I gotta get my breath. I gotta get a lot of breath from moving this box around trying to set up my camera. Someone please help me with this. Okay, so I love having, what do I love? Hey, I'm just sharing my journey. I'm just on YouTube sharing my journey. I love having large pants. I feel like there's something weird going on with my hair. I hope it wasn't like that the whole video, but I didn't dry it all the way, so I might be looking weird. Sorry if I look weird, you guys. Pretty good video, went pretty fast. I felt a little tongue-tied today, like my mouth is lazy. All right, good, yeah, did it again, good.